Hiya, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make these fairy bottle lights. Sorry, the camera's not exactly clear because it's dark, but it's just like little string fairy lights, and I'm decorating the bottles that are on them. So these are what I'm working with. I get 10 lights, each light has a little plastic bottle on it. You switch it on and they're all white, and I got these from Poundland. Obviously they were just £1. And the first thing I'm going to do is going to take off each of the bottles. They just pop off the light. There's like a rubber stopper in it which holds it to it. Next I'm just going to take a Sharpie pen and I'm just going to simply draw a design on each one of the bottles. Half of them I think I done fairy silhouettes, and the other half I done like flowers, and I think there's a mushroom there as well. So you just want to do some sort of decoration on each one of the bottles. That's the first one. Next I am going to take some tape. I'm going to place this onto my desk so the sticky sides facing upwards, because I want to attach the bottles upside down to this after I've painted them. So they'll be like that, so I can paint the bottom as well and I'll have somewhere to put it. You don't want to put the bottom part onto the table if it's got paint on it. So you're just going to cover these in paint. I've just used acrylic paint for this. I done them in different colours, not all the same. So basically I want the silhouette to be underneath the paint so you can't really see it, except when the light's on, then it'll show through. So I placed these all on the sticky tape and waited for them to dry. Once they're dry they look like this. The yellow actually showed the silhouette through quite badly, but the rest of them came out okay. Next is you're just going to pop these bottles back onto the lights. If you haven't got these lights, you can just get plastic bottles separately and just glue them on. And you're done. That's it. Obviously they glow up a lot better in the dark, and here it is. So it's just a really simple tutorial. Thanks for watching as usual. See you in my next video. Bye!